Hello, in this video we will show you how to locate and replace the coolant temperature sensor on BMW 320D E90 model. First we'll check live data to see what the values are for the coolant temperature sensor, and then we'll show where it is. It's showing 118 degrees when the car is cold, so that means it's not right. So it needs to be replaced. The coolant temperature sensor is located just at the front of the engine, just underneath those connectors, just down there. So we need to remove a couple of connectors, remove the connector on the coolant temperature sensor, and then remove the coolant temperature sensor itself. Now that I've disconnected the connector for the coolant temperature sensor, this is the socket that I'm going to use to screw the coolant temperature sensor. And that's the coolant temperature sensor out. That's it there, just in the hole over there. Now we'll put on the new temperature sensor. Now we assemble everything back in the reverse roller, and we can check the live data to see if everything is fine now. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos like this. Now that we've replaced the sensor, we'll check live data and showing 33 degrees. That's it.